The return of the Bedford name, in the form of the 2025 Bedford TM Cabover truck, has taken the commercial vehicle world by surprise, igniting nostalgia while embracing the needs of the modern transport era. Once a respected British marque known for rugged utility and no-nonsense performance, Bedford faded out of production decades ago. But the TM model's resurrection brings a modern edge to a historic legacy. The 2025 TM Cabover is designed for regional and long-haul duties with a futuristic Cabover design aimed at improving visibility, maneuverability, and overall efficiency, crucial for urban logistics and tight European roads. Under the hood, it packs a Cummins X12 Euro 6 compliant engine, offering up to 500 horsepower, and torque figures reaching 2,300 Newton-meters, ensuring it holds its ground against heavyweights like the Volvo FM, Scania P-Series, and DAF. The Bedford TM now features an automated 12-speed Z-Traction gearbox for smoother shifting and improved fuel economy, coupled with advanced driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and real-time telematics. The truck is fully equipped for the digital logistics age. Aerodynamically refined and built on a lightweight yet durable chassis, the TM Cabover reduces drag and fuel consumption, with hybrid and fully electric versions already under development for emission-sensitive markets. Inside the cabin, comfort is reimagined for the 21st century driver. The truck features a flat-floor design, ergonomic air suspension seats, a digital instrument cluster, and voice-activated elements crafted to reduce driver fatigue during long stints behind the wheel. In comparison to competitors like the Mercedes-Benz Atego or Iveco, the TM brings a blend of heritage and modernity that is both emotionally and practically appealing, while Atego emphasizes lightweight distribution and the S leans into high-end luxury. The Bedford TM strikes a balance, durable enough for tough jobs, yet sophisticated enough to meet today's logistical expectations. It stands as a compelling alternative for fleet operators looking to blend nostalgia with next-gen efficiency. Historically, Bedford trucks were a common sight across Europe, Asia, and Africa during the mid-20th century, serving in military, agricultural, and freight roles. The TM series, introduced in the 1970s, was one of Bedford's last major innovations before the brand faded under General Motors ownership. Now, with its revival, Bedford has a shot at reclaiming its place among trusted commercial vehicle makers. Looking ahead, the 2025 Bedford TM could symbolize a larger trend where classic brands return not to imitate the past, but to reshape the future with style, strength, and smart engineering rooted in legacy.